Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by enabling the connections nearby share needs, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on both devices. Open Settings, go to System, then Nearby Sharing, and toggle it on. Choose a visibility option, Everyone Nearby for quick transfers or My Devices to restrict access. If Windows asks, sign into your Microsoft account so devices can discover each other across your network. Once done, make sure both PCs are unlocked and awake. Nearby Share won't appear if one is asleep, or airplane mode is active. Now you'll send a file, right-click the item, pick Share, then choose Nearby Sharing. Windows scans for nearby devices, wait until the target device shows in the list and then select it. On the receiving device you'll see a prompt, accept it immediately, and choose whether to save the file to downloads or open it directly. Once accepted, the transfer uses Wi-Fi direct or Bluetooth handoff for metadata, so speeds will vary. If transfer is slow, pause other heavy network tasks and try again. Finish by verifying the file arrived intact, open it or compare file size and timestamps. If the transfer failed, restart Bluetooth services or toggle nearby sharing off and back on. This often resolves discovery glitches. Make sure both devices are on the same network or enable a hotspot so they can see each other. If you still can't connect, briefly disable any third-party firewall or VPN, then try again. Once done, re-enable security software to keep your system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.